When it comes to business, even life in general, you need to plan. There's a military phrase that really rings true for all areas of life. The 7 Ps. Proper, prior, planning prevents pretty poor performance. Okay, so that 5th P is something a little different in the military, but we are a family firm after all. When you were starting your business, one of the first things that you probably put together was a business plan. Now that your business is growing, no doubt you have a growth plan. Giving your business direction is extremely important. So why would your marketing be any different? A good marketing plan helps you prepare for any changes in your business's environment. Now, these changes could come from within your company. Maybe you're toying with the idea of branching out into other products, or perhaps you're thinking of expanding into other locations. There could be external changes. Things such as consumer buying trends and political changes can be considered external changes that would affect your marketing efforts. With all this in mind, your marketing strategy should be closely coordinated with your overall business plan. There are a couple of ways that you can link these two together very easily. You could do your marketing plan first and work the figures into your final budget. This is really beneficial if you're just starting out from scratch and planning your entire business model from day zero. Or you can do your business planning first and divide your marketing budget across various goals and teams. This is more likely to apply to an established business that is looking to expand through the use of marketing. I'm going to quickly run through a description of each of the phases of putting together a marketing strategy, and then in later videos explain each phase in depth. Be sure to like our Facebook page and subscribe to our channel to maximise your own online potential. The first phase is the analysis phase. The analysis phase is essentially your market research. Through this phase of creating your marketing strategy, you will learn many different things about your customers, your target market, and your competition. You will aim to understand why your customers make buying decisions, explore your competition's positives and negatives compared to your own, as well as analysing the overall marketplace to identify the best place to position your marketing message for maximum results. In the analysis phase, you will move on to the strategy phase, where you use the information that you discovered from your market research to begin segmenting the market into its specific parts. A key part of your marketing strategy phase is understanding where you're going to position your marketing message to ensure that it is seen by each of the segments you are looking to target. There are 2 main types of marketing strategy that will be beneficial to your business. There's a market-based strategy, where these marketing strategies are generally based on a demand for the products or services your business offers. This means that your products and services are already being used by the marketplace and you're looking to advertise yourself in competition with the other brands within your market sector. There's a very good chance this is the type of marketing strategy you will be looking at for your business. It relies heavily on research before the product or service is even produced. There is a product-based strategy. These strategies are generally used for new products or services that the market has never seen before. Because there is very little, if any, market data on what the company is wanting to provide, this marketing strategy is heavily product-centered, promoting the features and benefits of the product alone in a hope to persuade the marketplace that your brand solves a completely unique problem that they didn't even know they had. The next phase that you need to go to in creating a marketing strategy is the tactical phase. Okay, things are really starting to heat up for your marketing strategy now. You've used market research and product analysis to gather all the information you might need to market your business. You're now going to combine this information with the ideas from the strategy phase to create a marketing program that actually executes your strategy in the marketplace. In the tactical phase, you need to take a closer look at your products and services. It's vital to understand how you can add value to your consumers' lives. With this information in mind, you can begin creating your marketing methods. During your tactical phase of strategy planning, begin creating any sales materials that you need. Things such as the auditing process, discount vouchers, and phone call scripts should start to begin being produced. It's also important to consider how you intend to communicate your marketing methods to your target market. At this point, you should have got together a decent marketing strategy. Everything should be prepared to begin marketing your business in the digital world. It's at this point that you move on to the final phase of any marketing strategy, the measurement phase. As the old phrase goes, if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. And there's very little places in your business where this applies more than within your marketing. As you move through each stage of your marketing strategy and execute each of your different strategies, you need to compare the results against your expectations. Are your campaigns getting you the results you were hoping for? If not, why not? As I've said in previous videos, it's very important to split test any form of paid advertising. By starting small, you ensure that you're not throwing away money on a campaign that simply doesn't resonate with your target market. Just because you think your latest advert is great, doesn't mean your target market will. By measuring the results of each of your campaigns very closely, you can quickly identify what is and what isn't working for your business in your target market. You can then filter out the losers and start pumping money into the winners to maximize the return on your investment. It's really important to understand that a marketing plan is a living, breathing creature. It should have the flexibility to grow and adapt to changes in your business and the marketplace. As a result, you should always be returning to your marketing plan, just like you do with your business plan, for maximum effectiveness. Now that you've got a basic idea of how to put together a healthy marketing strategy, you're probably realizing that creating a marketing campaign takes a little time and an awful lot of attention, as well as quite a bit of knowledge. It's possible you're thinking you don't have the time to go through each of these steps. Should that be the case, Summus Marketing is ready and waiting to hear from you. As always, you can contact me directly through our Facebook page. Alternatively, if you're interested in how Summus Marketing can help your business grow, a link to our website is down below. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this video useful, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for future updates on each phase of creating a marketing strategy as they go live.